Hi and welcome to more tips from the hips. And today I'm planing these two drawer sides down to the right height for my drawer box. And the tip is plane them together. They're quite narrow. If you try and plane them on their own, you're likely to get a bit of tipping of the plane. Well, makes sense. If you've got to get it down to the same height, put them together. That gives you a broader support for your plane. You'll get much less tipping, keep it under control, and plus the same number of shavings you'll get done in half the time. For woodworking tips from the hips and much more, subscribe now. And if you share this video, I'll send you some positive woodworking vibes. For a chance to win the nightstand I'm building, check out my Just Giving page.